Hi, my name is Jenny, and I am doing a packing and review of the Mina Baie Audrey. This is the 2.0, and I know they've come in different versions. There was a 1.0 that didn't have these D-rings, so you weren't able to change from a shoulder strap to a crossbody strap, which that's what it comes with. And it normally comes with a card holder, but this one I actually bought off BST per usual, and I got it for a pretty good price because it didn't come with a card holder. Now, Mina Baie is a diaper bag company. This is top green leather. It has water resistant lining, which I love. Obviously, you know, with kids, and sometimes I spill myself. It measures 8 by 11 and quarter and by 4. So, like I said, it's a diaper bag company, but definitely one of the cuter bags. And I bought this like dozens of times over and over, and I've sold it. But I think this one's perfect just because I like how it packs. Maybe because I'm not packing as much as for my girls, but this one's actually packed just for me. This is in their color nude, and the Audrey comes in a lot of colors. So let's get started. So like I said, it comes with a shoulder strap, a crossbody strap, which is adjustable, has gold hardware, and then there is 3 compartments in the inside and a back pocket here. So it is zippered, and back here it's pretty big. I have my Z Flip, and you can actually fit an Apple iPhone XS Max, but I'm recording, so this is just the case. And this is pretty big, like I said. There's a magnet right here, so when it meets, it closes. It's pretty strong, but I feel like it's stronger when you tuck it in. I mean, I have this packed to the max and it hasn't popped open. So inside, it's kind of like a neutral color lining, but like I said, it is water resistant. I think I've spilled, I want to say chocolate, and I just took like a wet wipe and it came right off, no stains whatsoever. So you can actually see on the tab here. So there's a magnet, a small magnet here, and a magnet at the tip. So here I have a Passy Pod, Jujube, and this is DSS, but I just have my AirPods. Okay. And then I have my pencil pouch, which is a custom Jujube, and this is in their print Hello Bakery. This is my pouch for my girls. It has their crayons and their play packs in here. My planner. And then this one's M&M's for my girls. And then this just has, it's a Welly first aid pouch, or first aid kit, but I think I ended up refilling it with like those floss, toothpick kind of things. And then in the left pocket here, I have my Be Charged and coin purse. In this other pocket, I have sanitizing spray, Tide pen, lotion, chapstick, and sanitizer. And then in this elastic pocket, which is, yeah, I guess it's elastic, this is my mask holder. It's empty right now because I haven't put it in here. But as you can see in the interior, so there's 2 pockets on the back, one zippered, which I don't think I have anything in. And normally this is where the card holder goes, but like I said, I bought it without it. The newer version, I think they call it 2.0 plus. It has the card holder, like it's the same interior, but it has a card holder in here, and they took it off. They took off the snaps. I mean, personally, when I had the card holder with snaps, I never snapped it. I always put it back here. So I mean, I guess it's kind of a nice upgrade that they did that. And here, it's in a bottle pocket as well, but I think it'd be like a sippy cup if that, but I normally don't put anything there. Okay, and then there's a magnet right here, another pocket, and that is where I have my White Pouch Mini with sanitizing wipes, pack of tissues, gum, and then another magnet and another pouch. So as you can see, it goes like small, medium, and then large. And then in this one, I have my custom DSS mid pouch. And then my coin purse, which has the brush and my elastic ties. And that's it. So, oops, some plastic on there. So like I said, definitely a very cute bag. It's big enough to hold all this stuff. I've seen moms actually use it as a diaper bag, but obviously like a light trip, especially if you're like a minimalist packer, a light packer, definitely this is perfect for you. The only thing I can say about this, like I've had a few, I've even had the 1.0. Some of it, I don't know, some bags tend to start peeling the leather paint right here. So I don't know if it's because that's just how the bag wears, or if it's just not getting conditioned enough, because obviously leather, you need to condition it, especially when it gets dry, or it'll wear faster. The corners, since there is folded corners, they tend to wear a little bit more. So this one, it does have a little bit of wear, which I don't mind, just because you can barely notice it unless you're really looking at it. Like I said, this comes with the gold hardware. It's very cute, and it does have the Mina Baie logo on there as well. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.